Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. I think today is second last day. Therefore, I sent one video before one day last day yesterday. About the Gilgit Baltistan, KKH, and other Skardu road. Here some areas blocked. Therefore, my by bus travel cancel. Inshallah, date of 19th. I try to arrange my ticket Skardu to Karachi by air. Okay, inshallah. Inshallah, date of 19 and 12:35, 12:40 p.m. I will reach in Karachi. This is, I think, here my second last video. This is Skardu. Around me, you see front of me white trees and apricot trees. Many, I think, apricot are finished here. And this is front of me tomato and corn, makkah in Urdu. Okay, Alhamdulillah, I give you this one and nice, a beautiful video. Thank you, my all friends and subscribers and other followers. Thank you. I hope you like and subscribe my this video.